perfectly seasoned, cooked with basic ingredients, this chili garlic spaghetti is going to be totally worth trying because it only takes 10 minutes of the time and you'll have your lunch or dinner on your table to dig in. Prep up your onions, garlic and coriander because the recipe is going to be super fast. And also you're going to need some chili flakes, cream of mushroom, this is a teaspoon, your spaghetti, salt, black pepper and olive oil. The recipe is going to be super easy, but it's going to turn out delish. So I'm going to start off by placing a pot over medium high flame, add in 3 cups of water, cover, and then I'm going to wait for around 1 to 2 minutes so that the water can come to a boil. Whenever you're buying spaghetti, always shop for the best quality so that you can get the best outcome. That is spaghetti that is not sticking together and it's not super starchy. This recipe is for 1 to 2 people. You can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more for your entire family. My water has come to a boil, so I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. Add in a handful of spaghetti. Then you're going to wait for around a minute so that the spaghetti can fully soak into the water. Then you're going to cook according to packaging instructions. Mine is going to take around 3 to 4 minutes until al dente because we are going to be adding in some more flavor using the rest of the ingredients. Immediately the spaghetti is fully immersed in the water, you're going to use your fork so that the spaghetti don't clump together. You're going to stir for around 10 seconds and let everything cook. And if you're wondering what is al dente, well, it means that you cook your spaghetti halfway. That is when you pinch in the middle and it snaps, it's cooked halfway. So I'm going to pick a pan, place over medium low flame as the spaghetti is cooking. As the spaghetti is cooking, add in my olive oil, around a tablespoon, and the olive oil is going to add in so much flavor to the spaghetti. And I've finally diced my onion. I'm going to throw my onion in the pan, pick a spatula, then I'm going to saute for around 30 seconds to a minute until the onions are nice and soft. When the onions are soft, I'm going to add in 5 cloves of garlic that I've crushed and saute for around 30 seconds together with the onions. You can add in as much garlic as you like because garlic adds so much flavor to food. So you're going to cook the garlic together with the onions for around 30 seconds to a minute until the kitchen is smelling amazing. As the onions are cooking, check on your spaghetti. Not yet. I'm going to throw in some black pepper and salt, which is going to season the garlic pasta. Stir in. I love adding in black pepper because it's mild and it has a very nice taste, which makes food very delicious. As you can see, it's snapping, so it's well cooked. So I'm going to put out the flames, back to my onions. The garlic is getting that nice golden brown color. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, which is going to make the spaghetti very delicious. Saute for around 10 seconds. To my cream of mushroom, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. Stir in until everything is fully combined. Just like this. Transfer to my pan. Add in half a cup of the pasta water, and the cream of mushroom is going to thicken up everything together with the pasta water because it is starchy. You're going to stir until everything is nice and smooth. Then you're going to pick your spaghetti, which is halfway cooked, and transfer into the pan. butter in the spaghetti together with the sauce, and just look how delicious it's looking already. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a little bit more pasta water, which is going to thicken up everything, and the spaghetti is going to be looking very glossy and delicious. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. I'm super excited to dig in, and it's been around 3 minutes after adding in my halfway cooked spaghetti. So it's going to fully cook and absorb in all the nice flavors from the garlic, onions, to the mushroom sauce. Yum! This is what I'm talking about. You can see how creamy and delicious the spaghetti is looking. So finally, you're going to throw in some coriander, lots of it. Put out the flames, toss, and serve. When done serving, your chili garlic spaghetti is going to be looking so awesome. It's going to be filled with a very nice color since we added in some coriander. And the flavor is going to be perfect because we have added in some olive oil and fresh garlic. So give this recipe a try and you'll see how delicious it turns out.